Hi guys, I'm Kaushal. I'm a mentor here at the Aero Makerspace. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the scroll saw and a few quick tips and reminders for safety. So first things first, make sure you have your safety glasses, long sleeves are pulled up, any jewelry, loose hair is also tied back. And I guess now we can get started. So the scroll saw is very similar to the bandsaw, which you may have seen in another video. So right now you've caught me in the middle of a cut, and I'm going to show you how to finish off the cut. A few things to note before: you want to make sure your blade right here is properly tensioned. You can kind of tell by the sound, and in this case, because it's not ringing, it's definitely not tensioned. So to increase the tension, just put it to a higher number right here. That's pretty good. And then what we're going to do now is make sure we have our finger guard, and our compressed air isn't on for this cut. It's not necessary, but make sure everything's positioned carefully, and then we can just click start. So you want to have two hands on your piece just like normal. The good thing with the scroll saw is you can make some tighter cuts than the bandsaw, but obviously you can only do smaller pieces of wood. So you just want to push all the way through until your part is cut, and then release it. And now we can turn it off. Should, for example, the blade break, or with the help of a mentor only, if you need to remove the guard to get an even tighter cut, we can do that too. So to remove the blade, you want to first detension it just by pushing that, I guess, counterclockwise, and then loosening the grip here. And look, now our blade just comes clean off, right, like that. On the bottom side, you do the exact same thing. There's another black knob. If we pull on that, the blade comes straight off. In this case, our blade is not broken / isn't dull, so we'll put it back. Give me 1 second. And once it's back on, okay, I will put this back on right in post. But also, if you need to remove the guard for any reasons, and make sure you're only doing this with the help of a mentor, you can loosen up this black knob on the side right here, and it comes clean off. And that should allow you to do, you know, more closer cuts, things like that. But of course, there's higher risk of injury. Finally, we need to just clean up our workspace now that it's done. So what we'll do is we'll take our little shop vac. Do we have an attachment on the end? That's all right. We'll plug it in, and in actual operation, you just want to clean up any dust and wood in the vicinity of your scroll saw. So I think that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.